How to reduce image size using mobile and computer. Consider you have got any image or a document and you want to upload it over a website, and that particular website is asking you to upload at a particular image size only. So for that instance, how can you do that using mobile and computer? Let's see it. If you are having a mobile phone or a smartphone, you can use it as a scanner machine. How? Just download this app, Microsoft Office Lens PDF Scanner from Play Store and App Store. Open the app. Now click the document picture which you want. Adjust the edges if you required it. And if you see, after clicking on the done, the image quality is quite good. Just change the name of the file because special character in the name of the file may create a problem while uploading in a website. I have just given a random name to it. Click on save and click that particular file and open it with the gallery. And if you click on details, and now if you see, the size mentioned here is 351 KB. That is not our desired size of a which is required for to upload the document over a website. Let's take the picture again and reduce the size to the desired one which we want. For that, you need to click on setting, click on resolution and select the 5 megapixel, whichever the resolution suits you. Click the picture, then at particular appropriate orientation. Once done, select the edges if required, then click confirm, click on done and change the file name again because special character in the file name may create a problem while uploading on a website. Click on save. Now open the file via gallery and click on setting, then detail, and now you can see the file size is 137 KB. If you want to reduce the size of the image using computer or your PC, just go to paint, paste from and select the image you want to change the file size. Okay, before changing the image file size, let's check what is the size of it is. Its size on the tooltip, it is mentioned 472 KB and the dimension is 920 into 960. Right click on the file, even go to properties, and if you see, the size of the image is 472 KB and file type is .jpg. In most of the website, they do ask you particular jpg file, pdf file or png file should only be uploaded, so you make sure the file type, which file type it is, and the file size also. Okay, now I'm selecting this file, so this the file is selected. If you want to reduce the file size, click on resize. Based on the percentage, you can reduce the size of the image, or based on pixel, as the resolution, you can reduce the resolution. I'm changing by percentage. Let's reduce it to 60%. Click on OK, and we want to save the file, right? And even if you see, the background dimension should also be changed. Okay, remember this, otherwise it will create a bad effect. Now change the files, save this file and select the format, whichever format, png format or a jpg format you want to select, and give the file name file.3. Let's give it the name of file 3. Okay, it's saving it to file 3. Okay, let's see the original file size was 472 KB, and the file 3 which I have reduced the size is now 173 KB, which was the desired for us. If you see, go to properties and see jpg file format it is, and it is reduced to 173 KB. Okay, hope it helps you. If you have any question, do ask me in comment.